Okay, now I will demo DAQMaster Pro Telegram function. So I stop for this. Okay, this one is a Telegram setting here. Let's see, I choose tag name COM1 present value. Then the value is A between 36 and 37. When DAQMaster detect this condition, it will send Telegram message. For the action setting, you need to key in like this. Okay, this one is a token that I received from the Telegram bot. Okay, you all can refer here. Now, we open the Telegram. Okay, now here is the Telegram. I just created the Telegram bot. This bot is created by me. And this is from DAQMaster. Oh, sorry, bot father actually. Here I already created the bot from the bot father. You can see here this one I registered a new bot. Okay, the Telegram will create a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose your name. So I choose Autonics Trainings, then good. Yes, Autonics Training. This one is a bot. After that you can click to this link. Go to the bot and the bot father will provide us the token. Yes, we need this token to insert the setting to the DAQMaster action setting. Okay, this one is the Telegram group. Okay, I created the group for the DAQMaster. Alright. So we can add the user from contact list. So let's say you want to share the notification with the others team members. We can do that. Just invite them to this group. Just add members. You need to register a members, which is the person in charge to receive the messages. You also can invite them to the group. So DAQMaster side here. DAQMaster will detect the bot and Telegram group. So I just tick here. And then select the tag name. I choose number 1, that present value. Please tick the time, the tag name and present value. You also can take a screenshot of your the DAQMaster. You can see right here. Okay, let's say I test send hello this one for testing. Click send message again. So now, I receive the instant message. Okay, we check the latest message is hello that we test just now. Yes, we received exactly the same message. Okay, before run DAQMaster. Alright, we received screenshot here. Okay. So we open back the setting. Here is a Telegram group. Okay, after that you just tick on the group. Alright. And then after that you can connect. Okay, now trigger event is active. Then run. Okay, we wait for the condition occur. Okay, email trigger. Email already trigger. The Telegram still not trigger. Wait for the trigger action from Telegram. Yes, now we have received the messages with the screenshot. We open the latest one. Okay, now the latest one we receive of 1047. Okay, now it's a 1047 and the image is here. Alright. You can change the image of DAQMaster screenshot by adjust the view. Adjust until you satisfied with the screenshot view. Just leave it open like this. All right. So we will wait until we receive the next cycle. Okay, this one is the next cycle receive. Okay, now the image that we received. The current temperature is 35.7 degrees Celsius, and the temperature too is 36.8 degrees Celsius, so it satisfied the condition.